not getting his arm right this time. Maybe it's flu.
Well, that's usually what it is.
Because he's not going to do it with his hand like that.
Hey, Thomas.
I know you're tired.
So Thomas just rolled over and I missed it. So now we're going to see if he does it again. Thomas, are you going to roll over again? Oh, there he goes. Look at him. Look at him working on it.
He's not getting that arm right.
Oh, he didn't have that arm there before?
He's not going to roll over like that.
Look at it. He got it. Oh, look at him. He got his.
He's trying. He's going to break his arm.
Roll over. Yeah. Wow.
Oh, he's
Wow. There you go. Yay. Yay. Move that hand for him. Move the. You can help him move the hand. He's got it. He's. Yay. Yay. Look at him. Look at him go. Look at him go. That's it! Yay! Yay!
Look at his face!